fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Gonna get rolling on this next episode. This pair of shoes is another one of my vintage shoes. It's just box action, just a normal pair of Chucks. This is a pair of Chuck Taylors I got when I was a kid. And I was learning how to skateboard. Learned my ollies, grinds, and all the good stuff. And this shoe, I just took it out of storage. So I want to make sure I add it to the collection. It's not a special shoe of any type. It's actually old and beat up. Cleaned it up a little bit to have it presentable, at least put it on the channel. So you guys can see the years of where this pair of Chucks is between 20 and 30 years old. Like I said, it come from my teenage years, learning to skateboard. It's some of my early skate shoes. We couldn't get Vans. I need to get another box for sure. But yeah, we couldn't get Vans and the such, so I got me some Chuck Taylors. At the time, they were almost impossible to get, but I needed some shoes for skateboarding that were better than what I had. Okay, you guys, another 360 on the classic icon Chuck Taylor. This Chuck Taylor is probably older than some of you, so let's give it the respect. Like I said, I was one of the few kids who was able to skateboard where I was, so I was happy. This was one of the shoes that helped me get to where I needed to get to. Alright guys, let's get to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. If you made it this far into the video, to the second shoe, drop a like for the video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to keep it coming. I'm going to get you guys a little bit of this box action. Dropping a like and subscribing is free to you guys, but it helps the channel out. So you get YouTube start expecting us, giving us those big checks. But this is the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort Black, Chili Red, and White. Oh, you guys gonna like this one. I haven't even opened this myself. Oh, come on, guys. It's okay. It's a little bent up. I know how these are supposed to come, but whoever repacked it for them. It's from our favorite seller, again, eBay. You're getting tons of steals and deals on eBay, guys. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to keep coming at you with these eBay hits because they're just so good. I take out a shoe and the paper. I don't think I reviewed a pair of the Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts on my channel yet, but this is going to be it for you guys. The first one. I have every one, including the Londons, Parises. For the Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort, I bought it men's, women's. You guys can see the paper it comes in. Once you see that, you see the Nike box or just the normal brown Nike box. Taking it back to the outlet days. See if we can get Goku to stay up here longer this time. Ultra Instinct's hard for him to control right now. But it's a very nice shoe. If you guys haven't checked out the Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts, make sure you do. This is the Chili Red colorway. So a very good shoe. You have the deconstructed upper. This is all high quality suede in here. With the deconstructed Nike swoosh as well. Nothing special on the back. Just a nice smooth suede. It has a little bit of motion, but you're not going to get seasick or anything with the suede on this one. I recommend this, again, putting ozone or rejuvenator treatment on this before you wear it. It looks like the suede just being in the box has a little bit of scuffs on it, but make sure before you wear it, you want to treat it with some type of stain and waterproofer, as well as, if I were you, I would put a toe box protector in there. Give you guys some top of the shoe action so you can see the deconstructed upper. Woo, that's clean. Let me bring it closer, make sure you see it. See the little deconstructed upper, the Nike Zoom in there. Being that this shoe is Nike Zoom, it's also going to be extremely comfortable. This bottom isn't the normal Jordan bottom. It's another composite foam made for the Jordan Zoom Comfort series to make the Jordan 1 even more comfortable. It's supposed to make it an all-day wearer now. Those of you that know me know that I'm already a Jordan 1 all-day wearer when I do wear a good shoe. Okay, guys, one more 360. It's usually a Jordan 1 if I'm trying to impress and step out. Most of the time, I change the inserts in my Jordan 1s, put Dr. Scholl's in. But definitely, this shoe needs the full ozone treatment. Do not wear this shoe without fully protecting it. Like I said, the toe box, stain and water protector, and I believe that you should put some type of sole shield on to the bottom. And since the top is deconstructed and you don't want no nasties going in there, make sure you spray this entire area with whatever you treat your shoe with, crepe, shoe renator, ozone, whatever. Alright guys, let's get to the next shoe. Alright, let's get on with this next shoe, guys. Pop open the box and let you guys see the tape. Alright, like I said, I've been seeing a lot of fake shoes on YouTube and everywhere now. I'll make sure you guys know that that's not this channel. All these shoes are real, legit, authentic Nikes. Where I come from, all that fake stuff isn't cool. Oh, you guys gonna know what this is. This is a Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. Signal blue, black and white. I didn't really want to read it. It was another pair of Air Jordan 1 Mid special editions, but you guys check it out. I'll get it closer for you guys. If you guys watch the unboxing of the orange version, this one is basically the same. You have the new type of patent leather they're putting on it. Fabric swoosh. Nothing on the back, there's more patent leather, some type of fake leather on the top. You guys know how they do with the mids. Nothing on the other side. Same thing basically. Like I said, I just got this shoe to complete the collection. I also have the orange version and I have the carbon fiber black, I guess you can call it. Complete this whole run of this special edition Jordan 1 mids. I'm really getting tired of Jordan 1 mids. They're making too many. So, really, yeah, we really need some highs out here, Nike. Gonna do this 360, and we'll get on with the next shoe. I appreciate everything you guys are making, but like I said, you're killing us to death with the mid special editions. All right, guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Everybody fucking jump!